So that's one thing I love about YouTube, because I can get free stuff. Like for example, last week I got a free giveaway from the Andrew's Auto Freaks channel, which is the magnetic air vents mount. So thank you Andrew's Auto Freaks for this lovely giveaway. Inside here, so there's a steel plate so that I can slide it in behind my phone, and there's a magnetic thing so I can stick it onto the air vent inside the car. So it will be like this. It has a good grip though. So I'll link the Andrew's Auto Freaks channel at the description down below. So hopefully you guys can give him a little support and show some love. So thanks again.
Open my eyes so that I can see. Open my mind, let my mind go free. Open my heart so that people can see.
I know it's been a while I didn't update my videos, and I've been busy for quite a while. And as you guys know, recently there's an issue created by the YouTube, because they took all the privilege, which is the monetization on YouTube videos, so you can get revenue. So they took away from the privilege from the small YouTubers who has 1,000 subscribers and below. So I just want to let you guys know that I've started my YouTube channel without focusing on making money. And I'm not worried about losing my income, you know, because I didn't get much producing or creating YouTube videos, because I don't have much of subscribers. I'm doing YouTube as a hobby, you know. I didn't focus on making money so that I can be like PewDiePie or whatsoever, you know. My advice to all those out there, you know, just do your thing and be happy. Do as much videos as possible, you know. The subscribers will come and increase from time to time, so be happy. Alright, and today I'm not gonna do much, and for those who didn't like my videos on unboxing the Amenity kit, so maybe you guys can come back later on, you know, because right now I have this. Thing first, this is the exclusive for the Malaysian Airline passengers. You'll get a keychain, Malaysian Airline. Oops, messed it up. Okay, the next one, let's see what we have here, which is the dental kit. Alright. I'm sure that most of people know usually the things that they put inside this dental kit: toothbrush and maybe the toothpaste, and maybe some let's see inside here, cosmetic stuff by Payot Paris. Alright, this is a thing. I don't know, this is the hydrating firming treatment, you know. Second thing inside this pouch would be the what is this? Maybe this for the lip balm for dry lips. Maybe you can use this. Alright, and the third thing inside here is the Hydra Cream Glaze. I don't know what this is for. Dehydrated skin. Alright, 3 things inside the pouch, and the last I think is the Cerruti perfume EDT 25 ml, right? It's made in France. Cerruti is an Italian brand, you know. I don't know, I never used that perfume before. And I think that's it. Nothing else inside here, but I really do like the bag, the pouch, or some people call it clutch, because they have this handle. Then you can just slide it like that, and you can bring it. So yeah, it's cool. So that's about it. A short unboxing of the Amenity kit, Malaysian Airline. And hopefully you guys like my video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you want to help me grow, and don't forget to smile. Bye.